Glycolysis is the first stage of cellular respiration. Glycolysis begins with one molecule of glucose. Remember that glucose is a 6-carbon sugar that contains lots of energy. In glycolysis, one 6-carbon molecule of glucose is split into 2 molecules of pyruvic acid. How many carbons does each molecule of pyruvic acid contain? You can see on this model that each molecule of pyruvic acid contains 3 carbons. That's because the glucose contains 6 carbons. When it was split in half, each half got 3 carbons. What do the 6 dark balls at the top of the figure represent? Those dark balls represent the 6 carbon atoms in a molecule of glucose. Some energy in the form of ATP is necessary to get the glycolysis process started. What does it mean to invest a molecule of ATP? The energy stored in ATP is released and used to help start the process of glycolysis. Here we see ATP converting into ADP. That means that the energy that was stored in that ATP is being used to begin the process of glycolysis. What are the 2 products of glycolysis? You can see 2 NADH molecules, 4 ATP molecules, and 2 pyruvic acid molecules. 4 high-energy electrons are passed to the carrier NAD+ to produce NADH. Overall, 4 ATP molecules are produced for a net gain of 2 ATP per molecule of glucose. Remember, we spent 2 ATP to get the process started, so if we get 4 ATP out of this process, we actually only gain 2 ATP. 2 pyruvic acid molecules are a product of glycolysis. Where do these products go? The NADH goes to the electron transport chain. The pyruvic acid goes to the Krebs cycle, and the ATP gets used by cells. You may think that energy is created during glycolysis and the other stages of cellular respiration. Remember, energy cannot be created or destroyed. The energy used in glycolysis to make ATP came from the energy stored in the chemical bonds of glucose.